Since we're doing a little bit of a start fest here, I figured there's an old interstate battery in here that's deader than all heck here, so I'm gonna just see if we got any lights. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna let this one charge up a bit, and then maybe I'll give it a little bit of a rolling over as well. I don't remember there being much fuel in it. I should dry check this. Oh yeah, we're good there. So I'm gonna see if I can get this one humming here. This thing was usually pretty good at starting, but I mean, it's been here a while. All the tires are really flat, every single tire. Every one of them. Except one. Got one good one. Huh. All the other ones been flat. Oh well. They're all dry rotted and weather checked. I'm gonna have to get a new set of tires for this anyhow. Okay, well this one's been sitting here for a few minutes, about maybe 15 minutes or so on the charger. I'm gonna give it a shot. See what happens. It's got an interstate battery in it that's really no darn good. Smell that diesel fumes. Okay, we got lights. There. She took a little bit of cranking there, but it went. Running. Took a little bit of effort, but probably got to prime the fuel system first a couple of times. Probably would have started easier. Been sitting a while. I don't think I started it much this summer. Well, I guess we'll see about this old girl. Another one that never went anywhere this year. All it did is sit and collect dust. This one might be problematic to get going. Maybe. I don't know if I have the keys for this. Yeah, so the thermometer says it's right around 30. Thing is pretty accurate, but it's cold out here with that wind. Poor old girl. All the tires held up by the look of it. A piece of molding fell off and I got it fixed. The paint is there, yeah, a little brittle too. There's the molding there. Car cover for this. It's starting to disintegrate. I think I left the keys in the cube truck. Oh, they're there. Well, hopefully the alternator will keep this running. As soon as I disconnected it, you can hear the alternator struggling to keep it alive. See how it goes. Let it stay running. I don't really care about that battery so much anymore. It never really did hold a charge, so I think I might just leave it in the car. Now this one, not sure. Got absolutely no lights. Maybe there's not even a battery in it. I don't even know. Oh, well, there you go. There's not even a battery in it. I think I'll just leave this one alone then, I guess. because I don't have a battery. I didn't bring any batteries with me. Yeah, hasn't gone anywhere. This one, 403 olds. Oh well. Well, we'll leave this one then. I don't have a battery, so. Got 2 of them running here today, so that's good enough as far as I'm concerned. I'll let the olds run for a while and call it a day with that. Yep. I swear that dog is part wolf, part husky for sure. Anyway, yeah. So we'll leave the 78. I don't have a battery, so it's good enough as is. Stabilized fuel in it. Well, we'll let these tick away for a while and probably let them run for a half hour and I'll shut them down. A little bit of oil burning off here or something. Alright, well, the Oldsmobile's been running here for a while. There's no fuel in it. Gauge tanked all the way to empty. So I'm just gonna shut it off. Yeah, she's tanked right off there, so a little rev action. Oh yeah. Sounds healthy, even though it sat for as long as it did. You know, shut it off. See if it'll do a restart. No, that battery's done. And it's staying right in the car because I don't care anymore. I'm not farting around with stupid dead crap. So, that battery can sit in here and freeze, as far as I'm concerned. So, good enough for me. Oh well, managed to get 2 of them running here today at the farm. 99 cube truck and the 88 Ciera. Here has no battery in it at all, so I'm just gonna leave it. Anyway, have yourself a good week, and we'll catch you later.